Sometimes on Facebook, you might have added a note above your profile photo. Later, if you decide you want to change it, you can replace it with a new note. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the note that appears above your Facebook profile photo. To do this, open the Facebook application. Then, at the top, you'll see 3 lines. Click on those. Once you do, you'll see your profile photo. Click on it. After that, if you've already added a note, you'll see it displayed. If not, it might say something like share a thought, current vibe, or share song, or something similar. Either way, click on that note. You'll see the current note. If you want to replace it, click on Replace Note, and here you can type your new note. For example, I'm typing something like this. Once you're done, click the Share button. When you do, the note will be replaced. Now you'll see the note has been replaced. That's how you can easily update any note above your Facebook profile photo. Hope this video was helpful. If you found it useful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.